Hey guys, it's B with who do I want to be? Hey, it's Brienne B, BBS, Palin in the house. Maybe you guys could see her. Maybe if I had a wide enough. Oh, there's my Pay right there. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh. All right, peace out, pups. Hey guys, it's Brienne with intheschmidthouse Productions, and today I am going to get dressed this morning. But B, you look like you've got stuff on. Doesn't this shirt look just like her? Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that pretty girl. Look, you can see out the window. Does that make you happy? Yes. She's like, squirrel. There's my pretty girl. That's the Palinator. You're my Palinator, baby. You are. You are. This is my big girl. Well, what else is this shirt for if not getting dog hair on it, right? Alright, so once again, this is B. That's Palin. She pants a lot when she's excited. She's right here. She's looking out the window. She's a shorty compared to the windowsill. So yeah, this is Palin. This is BB. Brienne. B. Bree. I go by Brienne. If I could go by BBs, that would be cool. Like, BB. Pew-pew. Right? Pew-pew. So, today, we are going to be doing a unbagging. Haven't really gotten any boxes from Amazon, so we're doing an unbagging today. And it's not very noticeable as an Amazon package, even though it is. The other ones had Amazon looking baggage, but this is very nondescript, and it looks like I'm gonna have to go caveman on this. Well, I also don't want to hurt it, like my low pro bag. I don't want to cut it open and hurt what's on the inside. I feel like as long as I shake it down to the bottom, we'll be good. Also, do not do this at home. I'm older than I look, which doesn't really mean much. So, oh, wait, I feel a sticker. I want to take the sticker off first. Okay, I'm hoping it's the right color. It's the right color. So far, so good. It's the right color. Okay, I am so excited right now. Okay, all this crinkling, I'm so sorry. This is a new mic. I hope the crinkling is at a minimum, very little to none. Nice. So, what are you gonna do when your dog shirt is covered in dog hair? How about this? I don't even know if it fits yet. Close your eyes and think of Harry Potter thoughts. Another dog shirt. This is the first time I'm seeing it. Oh my god. Look at it. It's so fluffy. God, it's so fluffy. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. Got Hagrid and Fluffy. Fluffy. Times 3. Where's my harp? Right? Who's ready for Harry Potter world? Who's ready for Harry Potter world? Look at that. Oh, yes. So gorgeous. It's so fluffy. It's got the Harry Potter lightning bolt. Fluffy. Hagrid. Look at Hagrid's hair. And his boots. And Fluffy's eyes are like popping out of their head because you know he's squeezing the crap out of that poor thing. Oh my god. So excited. Y'all, there's excited and then there's elated. Hello, elated. That's now my name. I'm hearing the frogs. Hear the singing choir frog. For those who know, I did that really well. Yes! So excited. I'm just saying that my birthday just ran into the next month. Oh, I love it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Pow, 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 pow. I know it's a green shirt. Dog hair. It's like coughing up a hairball. Okay, I do want to say it is a green shirt. I'm well aware I can see that for the Harry Potter, Pottermore people that are a little bit on the edge of like, you know, but first of all, not all Slytherins are bad. Secondly, if you look online at this shirt and the colors it came in a dark blue. This, even though dark gunmetal, gray, blackishness, asphalt color, it still has hints of blue in it, and it's dark. So, I mean, if I went for the navy, it would have been super dark and you wouldn't have seen it. You would have seen It's So Fluffy, but you wouldn't have been able to see that part. I think there was a white one. White shirts don't last in this house, so yeah. And it also kind of washed it out because, I mean, he's already so pale and the eyes are so white and they're so close to the edge of the image that it just kind of doesn't sit right. I can't remember the other colors. I think they were like a gray, maybe a light blue. I don't remember. But this was the best one because, if anything, Hagrid lives in the nature and green is nature. So look at it that way. I love this. Not to mention, I have hazel eyes, so a green shirt. Look at this. Can you see this? I don't know how close I can get. But do you see this right here? Like, this is amazing for me. So, green eyes from green shirt with these eyes. It's a match mate. And this would be the heaven. Love this shirt so much. There is so much love. Can I get it? Okay. Yeah, you know what I mean. There's so much love. She's like, chillax, crazy. Here, I'm gonna take a picture so you can see her. So this is a picture of her right now. So adorable. So, anywho, this is my unbagging bag. Unbagged, unmasked, revealed, loved, cherished. I love it. So just a ending note. This is cotton. This is a good soft, I mean, you can feel the ink just ever so slight. I mean, you can feel it, but it's such a softness. I'm always worried about washing these kinds of shirts, but it's one of those that you can just feel it. Where you're like, yeah, that's good. Turn it inside out. Wash it on gentle if you're worried that much about it. But other than that, this feels good. Good quality all the way around. And the color is brilliant. Even the shadows, the fact that they got the shadows behind the paws and everything to really give it some dynamic range right there. Right there. That's perfect. So yeah, there's nothing on the back. This is a ladies' tee. It's a large. I'm 5'9". And it comes where a regular shirt would come. I'm glad. I've got so much hair. I'm glad that it does come here, which is halfway between the elbow and the shoulder, because the shirts that I usually get for ladies cut are up here, and it causes a lot of sweat damage to the edge of the sleeve. with the lady sticks, deodorant sticks, the DO for the BO. It stains really bad, so I end up using Men's Old Spice. Highly recommended. And not the white. It has to be the sport that's blue gel, because it doesn't stain your clothes, ladies. Don't go for the powder. Use your awesome t-shirts. They're after us, I swear. Anyways, so I don't even know how to conclude this. Harry Potter world, you're gonna be seeing me. This is how you'll recognize me. If not that way, then definitely once I get this one washed, you're gonna recognize me this way. And if not this way, one of the doggy ones, you're gonna recognize my llama corn shirt, which is the sky blue one with the llama corn on it. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Universal, if not at Disney. So it's so fluffy! Hey! And that was Brienne with In the Schmidthouse. That was BBS with In the Schmidthouse. That was B to the B to the S. B to the B to the T. Oh, my dog's looking at me like I'm crazy. My dog's looking at me 'cause I'm crazy. More like it. More dog hair. There we go. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Now I'm officially hot 'cause I got so excited. Right, Peelin? Don't look at me like that.